Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Grace Brabat. Today, we will discuss about the measures of variability. The measures of variability represents the amount of the dispersion of a data set. Okay. I have four measures of variability. Number one, range, mean deviation, variance, and the standard deviation. Okay. Range. It is the simplest measure of variability. It is the difference between highest value and the lowest value. Later, I will show you the formula of the range. Mean deviation. Mean deviation is the dispersion or the variability of a set of data about the average of this data. The mean deviation, they have two data. It is ungrouped and group data. Next, variance. Variance is a measure of how spread out a data set is. It is calculated as the average square deviation of each number from the mean of a data set. Next, is the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the most important measure of dispersion and the variability. It differentiates sets of scores of equal averages. We proceed to the range. Range, it is the example of range. Okay. Range, it is the set of data that I given. 9, 5, 2, 10, 8, 1, and 4. The formula of range is R is equal to H minus L. R stands for range, H stands for the highest value, and L stands for the lowest value. Step 1. We need to arrange these in the smallest into largest, or the lowest into highest. Okay. Next, we need to find where is the highest value or the lowest value. We need to use this formula. Range, R is equal to H minus L. R is equals to the 10 is the highest value, 10 minus 1. 1 is the lowest value. Okay, R is equals to 9. Our range is 9. Okay. Mean deviation. The mean deviation, it is the formula of ungrouped data formula and group data formula. The ungrouped data formula is m dot d dot is equals to summation of absolute value of x minus mean over n. M dot d dot stands for mean deviation. In group data formula, as m dot d dot is equals to summation of f absolute value of x minus mean over n. Okay, so now let's proceed to the example of the mean deviation of ungrouped data. This is the ungrouped data example. This number is given in the range example of range. So here is this number. We need to arrange this vertically to get the mean. Okay, mean. Okay, x 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we need to add these all numbers to get our mean. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. 20 plus 9 is equals to 29. Then 29 plus 10 is equals to 39. Okay. The formula of getting the mean is equals to summation of x over n. Okay. Mean is equals to summation of x over mean. Okay, next. Mean is equals to our summation of x is the total of this given data. This 39. 39 over, okay, Where did I get 7? Okay, we need to uh, we need we need to count the individual score that I given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, 39 over 7. Okay, our mean is equals to 5.57. 39 over 7 is 5.57. Our mean is equals to 5.57. Next step is equals to, next step is x minus mean. X minus mean. Okay, this is x minus our mean. We need to subtract this. Okay. At 1 minus 5.57 is equals to negative 4.57. 2 minus 5.57 is equals to negative 3.57. 4 minus 5.57 is equals to negative 1.57. 5 minus 5.57 is equals to negative 0.57. 8 minus 5.57 is equals to 2.43. 9 minus 5.57 is equals to 3.43. And 10 minus 5.57 is equals to 4.43. Next step is to remove the negative sign or the negative value and we change it into positive. Absolute value of x minus mean. Okay. Ang ariyo ng mga negative sign kwaunta ni himuon ta positive. Okay. That's right. Absolute value of x minus mean. The negative 4.57 will become positive 4.57. Next, 3.57, 1.57, and 0.57, 2.43, 3.43, and 4.43. We need to add these all numbers and before we compute the mean deviation. Okay. The total of these all numbers is 20.57. Okay, next, m dot d dot is equals to summation absolute value of x minus mean over n. M dot d dot is equals to the summation of absolute value of x minus mean. Dito naging kuha 20.57. Our absolute value of x minus mean is 20.57 over n. Our n is 39. Dire, ang total sa individual score nga itong suma kaging 39. M dot d is equals to 0.53. 20.57 over 39 or divided by 39 is equal to 0.43. Our mean deviation is 0.53. Okay, next is the group data example. Naghatag ko duwa ka table ang class score kag F. Class score is 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 22, 21 to 25 rather, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, and 36 to 40. Okay, our F is 2, 4, 3, 8, 6, and 9. Kin-total ko ni siya. Gin-add ko sa 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 6 is 23, 23 plus 9 is 32. The total is 32. Next step is x. Dinta ni kwao ng x. Okay. Ang x is the middle point of data set. Din siya ang tunga-tunga sang siningal number. Ang tunga-tunga sang 11 to 15 is 13. Okay. Our x is 13. 16 to 20 is the middle point is 18. 21 to 25, the middle point of this is 23. 26 to 30 is 28. 31 to 35 is 33. 36 to 40 is 38. Next step, fx. I-multiply ta ni siya. I-multiply ta ang f kag x. Let's proceed. 2 times 13 is 26. 4 times 18 is 72. 3 plus times 28 is 69. 8 times 28 is 224. 6 times 33 is 198. And 9 times 38 is 342. Ang fx kinahanglan ta man i-add siya tanan. Ang total sini sa tanan nga gin-add ko is 931. 931. Okay, next step. X minus min. No. Sorry. Tapos ta sini total 931 is masuma ta sang aton nga min. Okay. This is the formula of our min. Min is equals to summation of fx over n. Min is equals to 931. Ang 931 yung kuha ta diri sa nga suma ta sa fx. 931. And over n. Over n is 32. Diri ang f. Amo ni siya ang aton nga n. Min rather, is equals to 29.09. 29.09 because of 931 divided by 32 will become 29.09. Next step. X minus min. Ari subtract ni. Kagina nag-multiply ta, nag-add ta. Subong ma-subtract. Okay. This x minus min. 13 minus 29.09 is equals to negative 16.09. 18 minus 29.09 will become to negative 11.09. 23 minus 29.09 will become negative 6.09. 28 minus 29.09 will become to negative 1.09. 33 minus 29.09 is equals to 3.91. 38 minus 29.09 is equals to 8.91. Okay, next step. The absolute value of x minus min. Dire, pareho matugin na sa ungroup data. Gin-remove ta ang mga negative sign, imuunta siyang positive sign. Okay, the negative 16.09 will become the positive 16.09, 11.09, 6.09, 1.09, 3.91, and 8.91. Okay, next step. F, absolute value of x minus min. Dire-multiply naman ta. F minus absolute value of x minus min. F times absolute value of x minus min rather, sorry. Okay. 2 times 16.09 is equals to 32.18. 4 times 11.09 is 44.36. 3 times 6.09 is 18.27. 8 times 1.09 is 8.72. 6 times 3.91 is 23.46. And 9 times 8.91 is 80.19. These all numbers, we need to add this, and we need to total to get our mean deviation. The total of these all numbers is 207.18. Okay. Next, we need to copy our formula of group data and mean division. Okay. Mean division or m.d. is equals to summation of f, absolute value of x minus mean over n. m.d. is equals to 207.18. Kuha ta siya diri sang total ta kagina. 207.18 divided by 32. Or 32 is n in there is f. Ang ginsuma ta, ang gin-add ta kagina is 32. Okay. 207.18 divided by 32 is equals to 6.47. Okay, our mean division is equals to 6.47. Okay, that's all the group data example of mean division. it is very easy. Next is variance and standard deviation. The formula of variance in ungrouped data, S squared is equals to summation of quantity of x minus mean squared divided by n minus 1. This is the ungrouped data. Okay. This is the continue to ni ang aton niya hinsuma kagina sa mean division. Okay. Okay, are. Ang diri mean division isa. Kuhaon ta ni para makasuma tas ang aton nga variance. Kuhaon ta ni ilisan tas ang quantity of x minus mean squared. Okay, parehas ni. Okay. Nan. Amo ni sa ang aring x minus mean i-times ta siya sa iyan kaugalingon divided by itself. Okay, negative 4.57 times 4.7 is 20.88. 3.57 times 3.57 is 12.74. 1.57 times 1.57 is 2.46. 0.57 plus 0.58 times 0.57 is 0.32. Okay, 2.43 times 2.43 is equals to 5.90. 3.43 times 3.43 is equals to 11.76. And 4.43 times 4.43 is equals to 19.62. Okay. Ang diri, sumahon ta man ni siya para makuha ta aton nga variance. To get our variance, sumahon ta ni. Ang total is 73.68. Okay, next. Kapihon ta aton yung formula sa ungrouped data. S squared is equals to summation of quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. S squared is equals to 73.68, the total of these all numbers, diri, and over 38. 38 is because nga 39 ang diri sa x gina. 39 but minus 1 will become to 38. Okay, 39 minus 1 is equals to 38. S squared, or it is the variance, S squared is equals to 1.94. Where did I get 1.94? 73.68 over 38. It is the total of 1.94. It is called the variance. Muna ni aton nga variance. Next step, makuha ta sa aton nga standard deviation. The formula of standard deviation is S is equals to square root of variance. Okay. S is equals to square root of 1.94. 1.94. The square root of 1.94 is 1.39. S is equals to 1.39. It is our variance. Variance, 1.39. Okay, hapos-hapos. Nisa kaayo kung pamati lang. Okay. Next is the variance and standard deviation of the group data. Okay. The group data. Ang formula sa group data is S squared is equals to summation F quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. Okay. Ang kagina sa group data para magkuha sa mean deviation, are. Kuhaon ta ni. Kay diri lang tayo masuma. Kuhaon ta ni is because this is the absolute value of x minus mean. Subong quantity of x minus mean squared na ta. Okay, pareho sini. Wala na ko nagsumat paliwat. Kaya tungod tamaan naman kalaba. Di ka igo sa bond paper. Okay. Okay. It is the quantity of x minus mean squared. Ang ari, Kadua tani siya i-times or i-multiply. Multiply by itself ni siya mo. Because di may ara siya na squared. 16.09 times 16.09 will become 258.89. 11.09 times 11.09 is 122.99. 6.09 times 6.09 is 37.09. 1.09 plus 1 times 1.09 is 1.90. 3.91 times 3.91 is 15.29. 8.91 times 8.91 is 79.39. Okay. Amo na siya ang gipag-squared ta diri. Okay, next step. F quantity of x minus mean squared. At diri multiply naman ta. Multiply ta ang f sa diri sa atong gisuma bago lang. 2 times 200. 58.89 is equals to 517.78. 4 times 122.99 is 491.96. 3 times 37.09 is 111.27. 8 times 8 times 101.19 is 9.72. 6 times 15.29 is 91.74. And 9 times 79.39 is 714.51. Diri i-add naman sila tanan para magkuha ta sa aton nga variance. Okay, the total of these all numbers is 1,936.78. 1,936.78. Okay. Are. Kapihon ta naman niliwat ta formula ginhatag ko sa para sa group 2. S squared is equal to summation of f quantity of x minus mean squared over n minus 1. S squared is equal to 1,936.78. Ginkuha siya diri sa yung total ta kagina. Over 31. Why is it 31? N minus 1. Our n diri. Ang total ta kagina sa f 32. Okay, 32 minus 1. 32 minus 1 is 31. S squared is equal to 62.48. Amo ni siya aton nga variance, 62.48. Okay, the formula for getting the standard deviation is S is equal to square root of variance. S is equal to square root of 62.48. Amo ni variance stat 62.48. S is equal to 7.90. The square root of 62.48 is 7.90. It is the standard deviation. Okay, that's all and thank you.